We start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was exactly within this one, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. And even we mentioned the best things for the price to retest this low. As you can see, the price dropped, but it couldn't break. Okay, and there was a reversal for me. I didn't get any trade setup because because we didn't. I didn't get any trade because we didn't have any trade setup. Okay. Anyway, now want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. First of all, we start with daily chart. As we mentioned in our analysis, when the price was within this, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, let this one give us a correction. And as we can see, this is what we get. Okay, now from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. But the only thing is we need to get a proper trade setup because we cannot confirm how deep this one can be. Whether we can get a deeper correction for continuation or this one can give us one more drop and this one can turn to a more complex correction. Okay, this is the reasons when the price was at the top, I was keep highlighting let the price drop, we should look for the correction. Anyway, as we can see, when we have been looking for sell, this is what we get. And right now we have been looking for the reversal to look for trade, and this is what we get. Okay, now the question is, can we expect this one to turn to flat for one more drop? Okay, and this is the best things if we can get, because we can see the confirmation for the reversal if we get one more drop. And right now we cannot refer to the indicators, but after, if this one turn to a correction for one more drop, may we even refer to the indicators to look for reversal. Anyway, if this one turn to a corrective move, if we see any opportunity to look for sell, also we can look for sell. But right now we don't have it, and we are more interested to look for buy, because for long term we're looking for buy. The sell will be short term. And if we move to 1 hour chart, if we want to look for trade for buy, we don't have any trade set up right now. The only thing is if this one turn to deeper correction, then maybe we can look for flat. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Because if the price reverse from here, we don't have any opportunity. Either we should wait for the breakout flag, or we can have entry above this, which we don't prefer to trade that. That's why let's this one give a turn to deeper correction. At least this one turned a bit deeper. Then any reversal from there, we look for trade. That means right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy, and we prefer this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this. Then from there, any reversal we take if we get any reversal, then we look for trade. That means the trade setup. But anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup. And even if this one give us a drop, if we get any buy with the breakout of desktop, we have to see whether there is a continuation or not. Because even if we put these two in relative to each other, and we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction with the breakout of this. As I mentioned, if there is a breakout and we see continuation, is good. We keep the trade. But if we see after the breakout of the price tag desktop, we see there is no continuation, it turned to a corrective move, we can expect this one to put in relative to this for one more drop. Then from there, if we get any sell setup, we can look for sell. But how about if the price drop from here? I'm not looking for sell from here. I wait to see the confirmation at the top before I look for sell. And as I mentioned, for long term, we're looking for buy. Anyway, wait for this correction. We don't have any trade setup. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. With the breakout of this, we start to manage. That's why we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.